What's up, guys? It's your boy Boltshark here, and today we're an animal company, and today we're gonna be beating the lake map and including the blob monster. I'm currently muted because I wasn't saying any slurs or anything.
Guys,
This
I
kid
just
got
literally
me
had a minute
banned
for
because I was
check
saying
the
like
freaking,
stupid
what's his
and
name,
idiot and stuff.
stalker, whatever
Like,
the
yeah.
thing
So
is.
I got muted.
I walked into the
Yeah,
vent,
let's go.
and this dude just comes running at me and gets...
So you only have 100.
Alright, let's go. Yeah, I know I'm muted for 23 hours for everyone. I'm muted for a day. Right. So, let's go. The first view is it's a sure. Oh, I forgot we can go in the water. So we can like get over there. Solo again. Solo again. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but yeah. It might be cooked on this one chat. All I have is a book bag, a little stick, and a pickaxe. That's literally it. And plus, we're doing this as a solo. Might be cooked. Looks like a big old wasp. Oh, teleportation gun. What's this? We might as well use a shredder now. Screw you, pickaxe. I already got something better than you. Alright, we just got a no. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I'm cooked, bro. I hate that guy. Freaking drill. Sorry, bro. That was my bad. That was my bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, little bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, crap, I'm cooked. Nah, I can't do this anymore. A big old wuss. A big old wuss. Okay, I'm just gonna walk on. Somebody in here.
Hey!
Wait,
Ow, what is that for? Yo, calm down. Why your eyes look like that? Wait, can you talk? You got muted?
Yeah.
What did they do to you? You didn't do anything? Oh, okay.
Yo.
Yeah, but I come in right here. I came in right here, right?
Yo. No, bro, I died. Yes, he knows. Let's go, bro. He's the best.
Ooh. Guys, that monster just stole me so far ago. Oh my god.
That's crazy. It's much better
Go.
now.
Guys, I found another. Guys, put it in the scene. Put this in the scene. Put it. Done? Oh wow. Oh.
I can shred that thing.
Nope.
Put this, hey, put this little shredder, here. Here go.
Goated. Oh,
Yes, sir!
he got revolver ammo.
Got out of the way. Wait, I just hear the way.
So,
The way don't hear I'm a genius.
they're not.
It's
Over here, guys. I think it's over here.
No,
Nope,
I'm a
not over
genius.
here.
He's not a genius.
Wow, guys. I know the way. It's over here.
I'm some shadiness, so I'm the way.
I told you I know
Nice.
the way.
Alright. I'm some shiny. Ow. That hurt.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, jump.
Oh, I thought he was.
Is it possible you don't have any items? Look, see.
No, bro. It's not possible. You're not possible. What I do?
Oh my god, you make noise
What did I do?
duck?
What I
Where is
do?
he?
Wow. I'm a kid.
Help, help, help.
No. You're messing my bro die.
Help.
You're gay.
Nice.
I gotta go. Yes! Yeah. That's it.
Over here, guys. Over here. I found the way.
Yeah. Go. Yo, I'm too fast! Yo! Wait for me!
Yo, don't touch the floor, bro. Oh. Yeah, you can touch the floor.
Don't touch his tentacles. That's how it. That's where it knows. That's how it knows where you are.
No.
These are cool.
It'll maybe grab you.
Cooked? My cooked? Oh no, no. Yeah, we're cooked. All thanks to. No! My friends, no.
Follow my voice. Over here. Hello? Yeah,
Alright, I thought he died for a second.
He made it! He made it!
finally.
Wait, this kid fell! No!
He fell. No! I got you.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
It's been out in the game for a while.
Blue, help me. I'm
We got that.
flying. I just found a big place from.
This is the brain. Dang.
Oh,
Oh,
Ben, you're dead. I got you. Stop moving. I'm dead.
No, you're not dead for all. We gonna go to save you. We always stay with you.
Guys, I'm back outside. Do you want to get hit by the rock over there?
Dude, this should be creepy. Well, that replay was good.
Yo, why is there... Guys, look, what is this? Could you not hold it in?
Guys, Jade is white blood. It's white blood. It's just blood.
It's not white blood, buddy.
I do not want to know what it is, bro. Please don't.
Guys, let's try and pull out the power.
Pull the plug. And pull. On.
Use both your hands. Use both your hands.
Yeah, Paulsy.
Okay.
Grab the
Yes.
robots. Grab the robots. Grab them. Guys, grab the robots. I should. Guys, do it. Oh, back out full. Yeah, we only have trickle robots. Oh, we get it. Yeah, first of all, you can talk. You literally can talk. Hey, you literally can talk on it.
Oh, really?
Okay, we're gonna bring them home. Bring them home. Wait,
Okay.
what is that? What is that? Guys, this one,
rift.
it took us,
portal.
is this one to take us in the OG and map?
Yeah, bro. No. No way, bro. I miss this map so much, bro.
I remember the first day we got here. I was so sad. I couldn't. It was-
Whoa, no, bro. They did it. Oh my
Frick, bro. It's so annoying, bro.
Why did I do this?
Oh, it breaks my heart. It breaks my heart every time I come here, man. It breaks my heart. No, it's been good. Goodbye. Oh, yeah. It's been good. I have to go back. No.
Little robot home.
It's been good. It's been good. It's been good.
Guys, I want to try this robot. I want to try this robot. I want to try. You have nobody in your house.
No, wait, where's the cat? Where's the cat?
Actually, I have my mom.
I want to try with this robot. I want to try this robot.
More family members.
I already have a bunch of robots.
Because you have Leo. Yeah, no way. And I have almost like 25.
Come here, bro.
You're Boltshark, right?
Can you hear me?
Okay. I sent you a request.
I can't move.
Okay, F mode. Someone help me get some money.
Nice.
Guys, I'm broke AF modes. Everyone
Yay.
tell some shit.
11K. I have 11K. Who wants to do a hack? Everyone, who
Yo,
wants
can
to
you
do
sell
a hack?
that? Can you sell that? I have no money.
Yes.
I just joined. I
Go
just
to the
joined.
walls.
Yeah. Wait.
Hack it to the walls. Get a clutch grenade.
Guys, what is
Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go. Run, let's go. Look at him.
Yeah.
Oh, let's
he
look at him.
just knows we're better. He just knows we're better. We all getting paid tonight.
Yeah, that money talks.
Hey, my first money.
Yo. First, let's stream sniper. Guys, I'm streaming.
Yeah.
I'm streaming.
Guys,
I'm streaming. Guys, I'm streaming and my goal is to buy a 7-Eleven's item.
So hey, you like blue? Look at the start.
oh, what the? Oh, stop holding on.
Guys, wait up!
Launch me.
I'm selling the villagers if you want.
Yeah.
I'm so broke. I'm selling ground blue.
Well, guys, this is gonna be it for this video. I
I'm so
hope you all
broke. I'm selling
enjoyed.
this live on
this-
Hey, bro.
this
What?
is a-
Who needs to go somewhere fast? Who needs to go
Guys,
somewhere
come
fast?
here. Everyone, whoever wants to go fast, 2 lines, follow me.